Hello, my dear listeners, and welcome back to the Kapil Gupta Career Pod Show. And are you ready to take charge of your future? Well, today's topic is going to hit home for all you dreamers out there: how to set realistic career goals. Now I get it. When we talk about career goals, most of us picture big, shiny dreams: becoming a CEO, owning a startup, or even becoming a famous actor. But let me ask you, do you know how to actually get there? Are you clear about the steps, or are you just daydreaming? Setting career goals isn't just about dreaming big. It's about walking the talk and turning those dreams into a practical, step by step plan. And hey, if you're a teenager or someone starting your career, trust me, this episode will save you from making common mistakes like aiming too high too soon or chasing someone else's dream. So let's decode the art of setting realistic career goals. So, are you ready? Hello, all. I'm Kapil Gupta, founder of Study Abroad Academy. I'm on a mission to coach and mentor 100,000 high school students and help them realize their dream of studying in the best universities of the world and build happy and successful careers for themselves. So, all right, first things first. What exactly is a career goal? Think of it like a roadmap for your professional journey. It's like planning a road trip. You need to know your destination, the stops along the way, and the best routes to get there. And without career goals, you're just driving without a GPS. You'll waste fuel, which in this case is your time and energy, and you might not even end up where you want to be. So, setting career goals gives you direction, that is, you know where you are heading, motivation, you stay focused and driven, and third, clarity, you don't feel lost or overwhelmed. Then let's talk about the typical mistakes we make when it comes to career goals. One is unrealistic expectations. So I'll become a millionaire by the age of 25. Sounds familiar? Sure, ambition is great, but setting goals that are impossible to achieve in a short span will only leave you frustrated. Then the copy paste dreams. Many of us blindly follow trends or imitate what our friends are doing. Your career should reflect your strengths and interests, not someone else's. Then, no plan of action. Setting a goal without a plan is like saying, I want to win a marathon, but not training for it. Goals need actionable steps. And then, fear of failure. Some people don't even set goals because they're scared of not achieving them. But here's the thing: not trying is the real failure. Now we know the mistakes. So let's focus on how to do it right. So let me give you a step by step guide to setting realistic career goals. So, step number one: understand yourself. What are your strengths? What are your interests? Or what are your values? This self awareness is the foundation of setting goals that truly matter to you. Then, step number two: set SMART goals. Ever heard of SMART goals? Okay, it stands for S, specific. Your goal should be clear and precise. For example, instead of saying, I want to be successful, say, I want to become a graphic designer. Then M, that is measurable. Adds numbers or timelines. I want to earn 5 lakhs per year in 3 years. Then A, achievable. So don't aim for the moon in one jump. Start small and then build up. R. Relevant. Make sure your goals align with your long term vision. And finally, T. Time bound. Because deadlines matter. And that's how we get SMART. S for specific, M for measurable, A for achievable, R for relevant, and T for time bound. Coming to step 3, break it down. Big goals can be overwhelming. Break them into smaller, bite sized goals. For instance, goal can be start my own business. And for that, step 1 can be learn the business basics. Step 2, build a business plan. Step 3, secure funding, and so on. So that depends how to break your big goals, or I would say the final destination, into milestones. Then step 4, create a vision board. Visualize your goals with images or quotes. Hang it somewhere you'll see daily to stay motivated. Nowadays, the best idea or the better idea would be that make your vision board as your mobile wallpaper. That is the opening screen, so you can get to see all the time, because now we are in a habit of holding our mobile phones throughout the day. Then, step number 5, keep reviewing and adjusting. Your goals aren't written in stone. As you grow, your goals might evolve, and that's okay. Keep checking in with yourself. And now, for all my young listeners out there, here's why setting realistic goals is super important. They avoid burnout. Unrealistic goals can exhaust you mentally and physically. Setting realistic targets ensures you stay productive without overwhelming yourself. They build confidence. Achieving small milestones boosts your confidence and encourages you to aim higher gradually. Then they help you stay focused in the age of distractions. In today's world of Instagram, Reels, and OTT binging, staying focused is tough. And career goals give you purpose and help you avoid wasting time. And then let me tell you something, even the best athletes have coaches. Why? Because we all need guidance. And that's why the role of mentorship and guidance becomes very important in our lives. So find mentors who can share their experiences and help you set realistic expectations. It could be a teacher, a parent, a career counselor, or even someone you look up to in your field. So don't hesitate to ask for advice. And let me tell you, life isn't always smooth, is it? So you'll face setbacks, distractions, and moments of self doubt. So, overcoming challenges in goal setting is really important, but how to overcome them? Stay patient. Rome wasn't built in a day. In fact, it took around 12 years. So, your goals might take time. So, don't give up too quickly. Learn from failure. Each failure teaches you something valuable. Embrace it as part of your journey. And then avoid comparison. Everyone's journey is unique. So focus on your progress and not others. So now let's talk about the bigger picture. Setting realistic goals doesn't just help you professionally, it also improves your overall quality of life, because it gives you clarity and peace of mind. You'll know where you are heading, and so obviously it will reduce your stress. Then, financial stability. Career goals often lead to better financial planning and stability, and personal growth. So, the process of setting and achieving goals helps you grow as a person. So, all right, my friends, we have covered a lot today. And if there's one thing you take away from this podcast, let it be this: that is, your goals are like seeds. If you water them with effort, patience, and dedication, they'll grow into a beautiful tree of success. But remember, success isn't about how fast you achieve your goals. It's about the journey, the lessons you learn, and the person you become along the way. So take some time to think about your goals, write them down, start small, stay consistent, and trust the process. And hey, if you need guidance, I'm here to help. So if you have questions, suggestions, or just want to say hello, feel free to reach out. I'm here to help and engage in meaningful conversations with you. And there's a link in the description of the podcast that can help you connect with me. And if you found value in the podcast, help us reach more listeners by sharing with your friends, family, and colleagues who might benefit from our discussions. So thank you for tuning in to the Kapil Gupta Career Pod Show. So until next time, keep dreaming and keep achieving. Thank you.